Welcome and thank you for your interest in MW Consulting, LLC. This presentation has the sole purpose of introducing you to the basic services that the company provides. Our primary focus is upon the business aspects of occupational health and safety.
We begin our introduction to our consulting process by focusing upon the 5 aspects model. The model includes risk management, strategic planning, diagnostic assessment, organizational behavior, and competitive advantage. This model is incorporated in nearly every approach to our consulting. That is, each of these 5 aspects are extremely related to both business and occupational health and safety. Every company must account for the various risks in their particular industry and learn to effectively manage such risks. Strategic planning allows for the most effective implementation of change when it is necessary, and to properly predict how change will impact an organization. When problems arise within an organizational structure or the organization itself, management teams are often left with a poor outlook and understanding of the problem. Diagnostic assessment is an approach our company utilizes in order to identify, assess, and evaluate organizational problems in order to provide viable solutions. Organizational behavior is a function of our consulting model because rapidly changing regulations, policies and procedures, and contractor expectations have a definitive impact upon the members of the organization. Finally, every organization must maintain a competitive advantage over competing organizations in order to achieve long-term sustainability. Each client problem that we address includes these fundamental elements as underlying considerations.
Now that we have discussed our consulting model, we will now discuss our objectives and initiatives that complement our consulting process. Our primary objectives are to enhance profits by eliminating waste, introducing cost-effective processes and methods, and leveraging strengths that lead to more sales. To assess risk and properly suggest winning solutions that reduce risk over time. To ensure that each organization maintains compliance with regulating agencies such as the DOT, OSHA, and EPA by interpreting compliance standards and conducting legal research. To analyze positive and negative trends over time, such as workers' compensation costs, incident rates, and the effectiveness of your policies. To identify uncompetitive safety metrics and provide solutions geared towards improvement in competitiveness and intervention strategies. To provide third-party advice and recommendations on safety audit action, items, and inspections. To remain with any organizational constraints, objectives, and initiatives when creating realistic, measurable goals.
Our primary roles are as follows: to act as an effective change agent, to implement programs, policies, and training in alignment with corporate objectives, to provide each client with an optimal return on investment from consulting services, to drive health and safety initiatives towards injury prevention and cost reduction, to exemplify each client's strengths and improve weaknesses in order to garner additional revenue.
As a consulting company, it is impossible to fully encapsulate the wide gamut of potential client problems. However, we have experienced professional consultants ready to take on any challenge with our consulting model. Without going into greater depth on our ability to solve the more complex arrangement of problems, our basic and commonly requested services are course design and implementation, IS Networld, PEC Premier, PICS, and Construct Secure, contracts, MSAs, RFPs, RFQs, and competitive bidding, safety audits, inspections, and certification programs, regulatory compliance, citation assistance, and expert witness, employee, management, and executive level safety training.
We understand that your problems may be unique. Our experienced professionals are skilled at business, legal, and safety problems. Contact us anytime at our toll-free number 800-856-2055 5454, via email at info@mwconsultingllc.com or online at www.mwconsultingllc.com. It would be a great opportunity to work with your organization to achieve extraordinary results. Contact us today.